Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own condensed milk at home using just two ingredients. Yes, two ingredients plus water. Here is our two ingredients for condensed milk. Here I have my full cream powdered milk. I'm using Dano full cream in case you want to know. And here is my sugar. I'm using 1 cup of powdered milk and a half cup of sugar. If you're making more, that means you increase it. If you're using 2 cups of powdered milk, you use 2 cups of water or 1.5 cup of water, and then you can use 1 cup of sugar. You can either reduce this or increase the quantity you are making. So we're making 1 cup of powdered milk and half cup of sugar. So into my saucepan, I'll add the 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar, and the 1 cup of hot water. Then I'll mix and dissolve it. Dissolve it very well, then I will transfer to my gas cooker. And once it starts boiling, reduce your heat to the lowest. If not, it's going to boil over, and you have to watch it also so that it doesn't boil over. And sometimes even when the heat is much, it tends to boil over. So what I do is I either off my gas or I lift it up this way. See, it's already thick. It's after a few minutes, after about 30 minutes of cooling down, you can see that it's already thick. So here is our condensed milk.